Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Hanging Out with me in the kitchen space. So today let's make something interesting, and I'm going to be showing you how to make some pumpkin puree. So pumpkin puree simply means a blended version of the pumpkins, and I'm going to show you the easiest way because I want to make a pumpkin cake that I've been craving for the entire week and I've been postponing each and every day. So without further ado, let's get started. And for our main ingredient, we need a pumpkin, and that's basically it.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
And there you have it, the easiest way to make a pumpkin puree. Stick around and I'll show you how to make a pumpkin cake. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.
I wanna know.